Hello everyone, this is Hitech Talk. So as we know about new Instagram update, that is a switch between Reels and a message tab. So you must have seen this type of screenshot in your Instagram home feed. So many of us have updated this and they are not liking this update. So the question is how to go back to the older version of Instagram. I mean, if you don't want this a new update, so what we can do? So basically, if you have updated, you cannot do undo. So here you can read this Instagram pop-up here that is written whenever we were accepting that. But what we can do, you can uninstall your Instagram application, make sure you remember your username and password, and download the older version of Instagram from the Google. You can get the APK file, maybe the beginning of 2025 you can get such APK file, or else you have to wait. If lots of people are not loving this update, then Instagram will take this feature down. So if this will happen, then only it will be removed. If people are loving, then it will stay. Only the option is you have to go with the older version of Instagram. So I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.